Danny, how you feeling about the hike today?
You know what? I'm feeling pretty excited. It'll be the beginning of an adventure. Got a few days ahead of us. It's a stronger and more treacherous journey than any of us have ever taken before. Even me, who has gone hiking throughout my entire life. But you know, life's all about the challenge. It's all about finding the new adversity to overcome. So I'm excited. I'm ready for it. Today's gonna kick our ass, and so will the next, but at the same time we'll be stronger and better for it.
Gentlemen,
Sir?
every journey of 1,000 steps begins with a single one. How you feeling? What's going on?
Oh, you know, water is important on a hot day with no breeze and steady incline on an island in the middle of a on fire state. It's a good time. I was also wearing probably like 2 or 3 layers too many.
End of day one. How we feeling, fellas?
Tired as hell. My feet hurt.
Feet.
But the sunset was fucking worth it.
And this chili mac. Oh,
Yeah.
Chili mac,
fuck me in the
baby.
ass.
Chili mac with beef.
I'm gonna like it. You never taken chili mac in ass before?
Nah, I don't think I've taken it up the ass. I think I've blown it up the ass.
Morning! Emmy, how you feeling? Day 2.
Better than I expected to be feeling. Not great, but we're doing alright.
Yeah. It's mostly clouds, but you can almost see the mainland right now. So, I think it's gonna be a good day. I think.
Yeah. It's gonna make it into the cut before whatever catastrophic shit's about to happen.
Whoa! Some bison fur. Seen a lot of bison shit. Never seen some clumps of fur. And we just need to see a bison.
If you could fuck one bison in the world, who would you fuck?
In what capacity am I receiving?
I mean, if you want to bottom a bison, that's your prerogative.
I mean, that's intense. I mean, like, you gotta put the male G-spot where you put it for a reason, you know what I'm saying?
This is fair.
Come on, we're tourist attractions. Just missed the 2 safaris.
I'd show my ass to a tourist.
We're having fun, having a good time. We're already halfway through today. I think we're in store for a good back 5 days of the trip. Hopefully nothing's as gnarly as it was, but we've been wrong before. What is this last mile? What's this last mile teaching us?
You can never have too much water.
Yeah. Emmy, how about
thirsty kids. Drink water.
Yes. Listen to your bodies.
Yeah. Oh, and don't hike miles up an incline.
I thought you were just gonna say,
In the middle of
and
summer.
don't hike.
Yeah.
So spaghetti night.
Spaghetti night. That's the thing about spaghetti. The only way to make it is with love and with compassion and with a fiery vengeance. Soup's on, everybody.
Going like the farthest peaks over there. Most of this is just like raw nature.
Yeah.
At least of what you're seeing, you know. You're not being like, oh, there's Glendale, there's this, there's that, which is nothing wrong with that, but there's something different about all of it being real nature. I don't know.
Take off your hat. Why? I'm gonna piss on you. No! Stop peeing on me. It's Emerson! Fuck you! I feel like when I was, only a matter of years younger than I am now, I would not have even been able to come out here. The idea of standing on the second floor of a mall, looking over the railings of the first floor of the mall, used to fill me with terror as a child. And so being here and being able to look over this and not only not feel fear, trusting in myself, but also feeling a sense of beauty and wonder for what I'm seeing. Like, I look over this and I'm filled with love, in a way. And excitement, and in a good way. I don't know. I'm just happy to be recognizing the progress internally that I feel like I have been able to make over the years.
Just sitting out here thinking about the fact that my dad gave me nature. My dad gave me a love for nature because he took me camping. My family went camping, but my dad took me to Indian guides when I was a little kid. And that's really where I fell in love with just sitting watching a sunset.
And that is such a valuable gift to you, yeah.
That's who I am. It's now who I am. It's a part of me. If you took away my love of nature, my love of going out and doing this from me, you would be a completely different person. It'd be hollow. All the way to the top of that hill.
Woo! Danny spilled chili in his shoe.
What you do with chili, man, you pour it into a shoe. And depending on the shoe, that's changing the whole story. I fucking took a boot off a plumber. That mac and cheese sent me to Mars. I mean, I closed my eyes and I opened them and I was on fucking Mars. I then had the ability to close my eyes and transport back to Earth and then open my eyes and be on Mars. Different boots, different stories.
Hi, seagull.
He's like, you got chili in these boots?
The end. 8 miles, eventually became 15 at the end of the day. 1,800 feet of elevation gained, almost 3 times the distance. You start to realize that the hardest thing you've ever done is only the hardest thing you've ever done yet. I'm realizing that it's possible to climb your mountain, look out at where you're headed, stand upon everything you've already accomplished up until this point, and then realize, where do you want to go? How can you get there? Life will happen, life will get in the way. But as long as you kind of create a path for yourself, at least you got direction. That's what makes it all the more worth it to put in that work and put in that time, because when you reach whatever your goal is, when you reach the height of the peak of the metaphorical mountain, the ease you get to rest in that new stage of yourself that has moved on from that is incomparable.
The island has made us learn perhaps the mightiest lesson of all is the camaraderie. The fellow man with the fellow hiker elsewhere, with the island itself, with the buffalo, with the bison, with the foxes, even God himself. And the fucking sun, apparently. Jesus Christ.
Catalina.